Here's one of today's repairs, where some idiot decided that they were going to plumb around a root only for the tree to eventually crush the pipe, as you can see there. I'm still opening this up. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to fix this yet, but I'm going to have to get some more of these roots out of my way so that I can make a proper repair. I didn't cut many more roots out of here, and you can see the pipe coming in. There's an elbow right there. There's another one right there. The pipe is cracked here. It's cracked here. It's crushed under here. And then that's not a 90. That's actually the straight pipe that was supposed to be coming out, but this root didn't just grab the pipe. You see, it grew right through this 3-inch sleeve that comes out on the other side, right here. And I've got roots poking out of the pipe there. So this sleeve has been compromised. We're not gonna use this sleeve. So I'm gonna cut out that tree root, remove this sleeve. We're gonna have to cut the sidewalk to install a brand new sleeve across the sidewalk with a new lateral line. We got this whole end exposed here. I'm actually gonna cut this out because I wanna go show the property manager how many roots are actually growing through this pipe, because they're coming out of the top of it right there. I bet you thought that was the end of the video. Well, you were wrong, and it is the next day. I'm back out at this break, and we're gonna get it finished today. So we're gonna start on probably digging out that pipe on that side over there because it's crooked as hell, and I want to straighten it up so that I can put the repair back together nice and straight and even. So we'll start with that. All right, now as you can see, after it's been dug out, we were able to straighten out the pipe. So here's our 1-inch line. That's our 1.25 inches, and then our 1 inch going across the sidewalk there. We're going to be able to put this together nice and straight. And then when we come over to the other side, we'll get rid of all of those elbows, and then this pipe will go right into that pipe. So probably start with this side, finish on that side. I love this jumpsuit. It's badass. It's got the Hunter logo on the back of it. It's also 90 degrees out right now, and it's only going to get hotter, and it just rained. I mean, the roads are all wet around me, so it is super humid. I love you, Kevin. I got to take this sucker off. And just like that, we're all repaired again. We don't have any crazy 90s at that end, none at this end. It's a straight repair with a T. Yes, there is a slip fix on that end right there. That's okay. We're done here. All we have to do is test the system and backfill. So let's go ahead and do that. And as the zone comes up, we'll see if every head is working. Oh, look at that pressure. I don't think the pressure's ever been this good out here, and that's definitely because the pipe was being crushed in the sleeve. Even the sprinkler head next to the root is working beautifully. So we're done here. Well, I have to clean up my mess, but the repair is done beautifully. All right, on to the next one. Just when I thought I was done with this repair, and after I filmed the repair and hit the stop recording button, water started coming out from underneath the tree. And that's because the tree root grabbed the funny pipe elbow that was in that T right there and snapped it. This was sitting just like this. We cut it out. We replumbed it the way you see it. Unfortunately, I couldn't remove that giant tree root because I don't have blades long enough. So that's the repair that is going to get. Now all I have to do is add a piece of funny pipe to that, put the sprinkler head back, and we are done here. The fitting was broken out of it, so I had to cut out the whole section of pipe and replumb it right here, and we got it done.